Hey y'all. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi to my vlog.
Take a picture with me, man.
I'm not taking a photo. Say hi, babe. Hi, Mommy. Say hi. She not. Say hi, Andrew. Say hi, girls. Come on, let's go. Oh, snap. Come on. So, come on, girls. You two, come on. We're about to head out. Ooh, look at this sun. This is my outfit of the day. Yes. Alright, we're about to head out. We're going to Rick's Cafe.
Ooh, wait, is that where we went yesterday?
No, it's a different place. Babe, hold this. Here. Talk to the peeps.
What up, peeps? How you guys doing? Out here in Ocho Rios, about to head to Negril to go check out Rick's Cafe. So stay tuned.
Alright, so I know the lighting is not 100, but we're here, we're on our way. Kids are in the back. My little sister's right there. Say hi, Kaylee.
Hi.
And there's Aaliyah. They're eating. What are you guys eating? Show them what you're eating.
We're eating banana chips.
They're eating banana chips. They love banana chips. And Auntie Sharon, say hi. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Oh. Hi.
I'm putting you on the spot. So we're at the gas station and oh god, it's so dark. We're at the gas station. We're getting something for a trip because we're gonna be in the car a long time. You guys like my braids? I got my braids done yesterday. I didn't bring no camera because I didn't know where I was going and somebody was taking us, so I just went. We'll check in with you guys from time to time. So yeah, here's everybody walking out. You need to prepare for this. I already told you guys, you need to prepare for this. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Say hi, George.
Hey.
That's their driver. That's George. I know, right?
That's my driver.
And that's what I said. And that's my mom. It's her birthday, so she's going out. Where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
Maybe John join our house.
All right. So we're just getting on, filling up on snacks. Then we're gonna go. We are here. We finally made it. Yay.
We're here. We're at Rick's Cafe, the famous Rick's Cafe.
A few moments later.
See what you got. Huh? Yeah? You up, baby? Do it! Do it!
Yeah, I'm about to do it. Ready?
Gotta get this done quick.
Alright.
There he is. Layla, grab my phone. Let's go. You went too fast, but I did. You went fast, but I did. All right, come on. Shut. Drink. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Okay, we're still at Rick's Cafe. I don't know if y'all can see nothing, but we are about to go. It's our last day. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Say hi.
When you guys coming to the US?
Everybody's leaving. The kids are in the car. Say hi, kids. Say bye, kids. I know.
I'm gonna miss you.
I know I'm gonna miss you too.
Enjoy.
I did enjoy, but it's time for me to say goodbye.
Yeah, go home.
I know. You guys have a safe flight, okay?
Well, you too.
I know, because we're tomorrow.
Yeah. Take care.
I know. But
Why is fog?
so I'll check in back with you guys when we're packing. So I'll catch up with you guys later, okay? Deuces.